Hello, this is Will Jones and welcome to my video. But the detail I have selected is from a medieval illustration. The illustration, it looks like, is a parable. It is a man roosting up in a bare tree, um, seemingly content with himself, although it's hard to tell from his expression. Not seen in this particular detail, however, is a skeleton wielding an axe against the trunk of the tree. And the point of the parable seems obvious that, while we um, think we're safe, death is is always approaching, etc., etc. I didn't necessarily pick this detail for any moral, uh, although it's probably a useful reminder. Mostly, I picked it because I enjoy medieval art. I enjoy the garishness of the colors. I enjoy the vigor with which uh, with which books and subjects are illustrated, the craziness, the at times descent into surrealism that you see and it, scribbled onto the edges of manuscripts. And because I like books, because books are a wonderful information resource, I thought that I would use this for my detail.